It's pretty clear that planes are based on birds. The shape, the wings and the tail look very similar. But birds flap their wings to fly. Planes don't flap, but still fly. Why is that? It's all got to do with lift. Have you ever used a kite? When there's no wind, you first have to run a bit before it goes up. If the kite stays flat, nothing happens. And if you change the angle a bit, it goes up. This is because of the air that flows around your kite. See what happens when the kite lays flat? Now, let's change the angle. The top airflow bumps up a bit, and that gap sucks everything up. So your kite isn't pushed up by air, it's sucked up. This is called lift. An airplane does exactly the same with its wings. They're even in the same angle as your kite. See? And instead of running, it uses big engines. Engines have tons of tiny wings pushing air away, just like a fan does. They're spinning so fast, it creates enough speed to suck up the wings and make that big plane fly. What would your plane look like?